Hey, what's up guys? It's me again, Teacher Mhea, and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be part of the conversation. So this is my first vlog of the ESL company that I'm connected with. And I'm so happy and proud to say that I'm so blessed to be part of this company that despite the pandemic, I still have my job. I'm so happy to share with you today the prize that I've received from 5-1-Talk. Enjoy watching! Hey! Dumating na yung ring light ko. Thank you 5-1-Talk for this ring light. Okay, ikukwento ko sa inyo guys kung bakit ako nagka-ring light from 5-1-Talk. Ganito kasi yun. Okay, so while I'm unboxing, hindi pala unboxing, unwrapping. Okay, actually, this is my first unboxing or unwrapping vlog. Okay, so all-in-one na lahat. Thank you to 5-1-Talk. Unwrapping this ring light and at the same time, i-assemble natin mamaya. Okay, so ganito kasi yun. Okay, so last December 17, we have a Captain's event. Yung High 10 Captain 2020. So, yung marami kasing prizes doon. So, para ma-qualified ka sa raffle draw, you have to send your selfie. Okay, na naka-cape dapat. So, hindi ako naka-prepare for that day. At gusto ko talagang manalo. Yung pinaka-gusto ko talaga is the Max Puppet. Since late na akong nag-upload ng selfie picture ko na okay, makikita nyo dyan. Okay, dito. Okay, yan yung pa-entry ko. At saka, naghanap pa ako ng kortina. Guys, kasi dapat naka-cape ka. So, wala akong cape. Puti. Ito yung kortina. Ito yung ginamit ko na kortina. Okay. So, pagkatapos nun, sinend ko yung picture ko. Okay. Lahat nabunot na ata. Wala nang natira. Ubus na yung mga prizes. Pero hindi ako nawala ng pag-asa. Kasi gusto ko talaga manalo that time. Buti yung parang pinakalas is the ring light. I'm not sure lang. Okay. So, feel ko talaga na mabubunot yung name ko. And fortunately, ito na siya. Okay. So, thank you so much. And shout out to Shane and Trainer Angela. Okay, thank you. Okay, so mag-focus muna tayo sa unwrapping at saka i-assemble natin. Okay guys, so I've transferred sa medyo malapad na area kasi walang space sa workstation ko. So mag-concentrate muna tayo guys sa ating unwrapping, okay? Then para makapag-assemble ako at magagamit ko na yung aking ring light because I'm so excited. These are the stands. Okay, ito siya. Tada! Ito yung stand niya. Okay, at least madali na lang sa akin mag-transfer kasi ngayon guys, look. Yan ang aking light na DIY. So, ako, nagbablog ako. Dala-dala ko rin yan, bit-bit ko rin yan, which is not convenient for me. Yung ring light. So, careful. Sana walang look at naman yung box. Naka-box nga siya, pero nasira ata yung box, guys. Distorted yung box. Okay. Wow, at saka mayroong cellphone holder. So, ito. Here is the cellphone holder. Ito yung mga lock. What? Wow! Ang maganda dito kasi okay, malaki yung light. Okay, so this is the ring light. Okay, lagay nga natin dito. Paano ba yung pagkakabit nito? Okay, let me try if marunong ako guys. Okay, wait lang guys. Aakyat lang ako ng chair kasi mataas siya masyado. Okay, then you have to put it here. Okay, dahan-dahan lang. And then next is lagay natin para sa cellphone. Okay, so lights, camera, action! Tada! Yay! Okay, so may mga variation siya. Yay! Yay! So adjustable yung light. Alright guys, this is my ring light. Thank you. 5-1 talk!